eating video.
Turn off the music. Ooh.
Ooh.
You gonna eat it? Go ahead. Go ahead. You gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat it? What do you think?
Do you want some?
You gonna get it? Are you gonna get it?
Is this allowed?
Are you gonna get
That's
it?
what she did last night.
Is it?
Is it
She
yummy?
was like,
Oh, Kenzie, is it yummy? Mmm.
put it in your mouth.
You gonna have
In your
some?
mouth. Yeah.
Try it.
Try it. You will like it. You will like it.
Ooh, yum. You gonna have some? Mmm. Ooh. What do you think?
Go ahead.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So one time you get to eat it with your hands.
Go ahead.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna try it? Put it in your mouth. Go yum 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 yum.
Yum. Take a bite.
Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Taste it. Can you taste it?
So much frosting.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
There we go. That's a mess again.
I'm not gonna like that our hand's gonna stick to it. Gotta have that piece back? Yeah. Did you taste it?
Mmm. Can I have a bite?
Why don't you taste this?
Yeah. Can Mama have a bite?
Give us some there.
Mmm. Quick, quick.
Mmm.
Is that good? Is that yummy?
Mmm.
Pure sugar with some butter. Butter and sugar.
You want more?
Oh, yeah. I think she likes it.
Yummy. Mmm. You're gonna be crazy after this.
Oh, are you gonna eat some more?
Some more?
Should I break it in the back? Are you dancing?
Is that good? Is that good? Are you getting it? Are you getting some?
What happened?
What happened? What do you think?
Get your mouth stick, huh?
Oh, yeah.
There goes the shirt.
Oh my goodness.
What?
What's that? Oh yeah, it's a mess? Oh my goodness.
Oh, careful.
Careful.
Here, let me break up the back a little.
Oh, you got some cake? Ooh, yum. You can eat it?
What is this?
Email? You try email?
Just pass up my phone.
What the heck's the point of that?
No, I don't have to check it. Pass my phone. You can see it's all pointless. I'll check it.
Oh, is that good? Is that part good?
Yeah. Yeah. Happy, happy.
Are you happy, baby?
What is that?
Yes, I think it's gonna be a better video than photos.
This is a sugary laugh. It is.
Did you get on your elbow? Oh yeah. Yeah.
What'd you do?
Hey you. Are you gonna eat it? It's okay.
Are you gonna eat it? Yeah? Oh, you're gonna be sad that I'm gonna take that skirt off.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, not that.
Well, you can do whatever. Why not?
Put your face right in it.
No, I thought she was gonna dump it.
Oh. She might.
What are you gonna do?
It's pretty heavy though. There we go.
Oh my.
Do it.
Oh, yum. Have a bite.
A lot of cake.
Mmm.
It's like so sweet. Too sweet?
Too sweet.
Here, try this part.
Look,
Mmm. Mmm.
You're gonna be sugar crazy.
isn't she supposed to get it all over her face?
Yeah.
There we go. Now we're getting in there.
I'm fine to make it. Oh, yeah? What's going on? What? Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you done? Do you have a bit up?
That's so fun.
Stand.
Use that to stand
Oh.
up.
Oh, boy.
Her skirt is like all weighted down. Oh, she stepped on it.
See.
Ta-da! Yay!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. I'm singing. I'm the only one who can't
On
sing.
the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish.